Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today, I am very excited to share about Japanese egg salad sandwich, which is known as Tamago Sando in Japanese. 今日は卵サンドを作ってみたいと思います。For me, when I think of sandwiches, what first comes to mind is this creamy egg salad in between fluffy milk bread slices. Like many other locals, I was raised with this sandwich which my mom had prepared for me when I was a kid. As an adult, it is one of my comfort foods. In Japan, you can find this distinctive sandwich in almost every convenience store or bakery. The good news is that you don't have to travel to Japan to get this taste. You can make it at home with just a few ingredients. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make egg salad. I have prepared 2 hard-boiled eggs. I have cooked them in boiling water for about 11 minutes. Then, let's cut into half. And separate egg white and egg yolk. With a spoon, mash the egg yolk. Now add mayonnaise, a pinch of salt and white pepper to egg yolk. This is Japanese mayonnaise called Kewpie Mayo. I highly recommend to use Japanese mayo because its light and slightly tangy flavor goes so well with boiled eggs. Stir until they are well combined. Next, let's chop the egg white into smaller pieces on a piece of paper towel. To make perfect egg salad, remove the moisture on the egg white. I like to cut as finely as possible. Add the egg white to egg yolk mixture. Stir well until they are well combined. Now let's prepare bread. I will make butter flavored with yellow mustard. Add yellow mustard to butter and combine well. Take 4 slices of sandwich bread. Spread out the butter on one side of each bread. Spread out the egg mixture on the buttered bread and place the other slice. Let's set it for 10 minutes in the fridge. Now I'm going to cut the crust off and cut into half. The Tamago Sando is complete now. On this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you find the video informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I also create lots of beautiful Japanese sweets and share on my Instagram. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!